Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I will show it to you how to actually tag someone on Instagram. Let's check it out now. Welcome back to our channel. So, what if today you want to tag your friends on an Instagram story or post? How are you going to do that? Very simple. Example, now I'm going to share this post to our DMC stories. Just click on this share post and add post to your stories. Like usual, very simple. What you're going to do is tap on this double A, the font, and tag the account that you want. So I'll just tag myself because in the pictures it's me. And after that, you can choose the color of the font. You can choose blue color, green color. Maybe you can just choose something like, I'll just choose black color. Choose a black one, and you can just change again another color from that, red or purple. It depends on your creativity, okay? So I'll just choose a green, okay? So after that, you choose green, right? You can just adjust the size of this tag so that the audience can see and then you can just click through it or tap on it. And after done, I'll just do some hashtag. So this post actually is about webinar. I'll just tap on webinar and I'll just put here. So after you've done all this, right, what you can do is you're going to launch this to your Instagram stories. On the left bottom here, there's a your stories. After that, just click through it. After you click through it, right, what you're going to do is you're going to wait for a few seconds. You just refresh it and you will see that 9 seconds ago, I just posted the stories with the text. Okay, so enjoy this tutorial and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!